Welcome to JRMSweeps. I have a 2017 Harley Davidson Street 750. I'm going to remove this rear fender assembly here. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the seat. You'll need to remove this screw here. You'll need a star bit to remove these two here on this side and on the other. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these wires here. Remove these 3 hex screws here. There's going to be one here. There's one at the back, one on the side here. There's a plastic piece here in the middle. I'm just simply going to pop this up right here. There's a clip right here holding this plastic piece in place. We're just going to push that out. Just like that. All right, we'll do that to the other side. All right, this is the piece that I need. Now to clean up these rough edges, take a blade here, clean right up. I'm going to go ahead and put the rear fender on just to make sure that I have it the way that I want it. All right, I have everything installed. I don't see any of the plastic piece that I trimmed up here on the side. Thanks for watching.